Hello! I decided to film my van conversion episode by episode now, as in like day by day. It's just easier to edit a little bit at a time instead of one big thing. There's no card in the camera because I forgot the card in my computer. We'll just make do with my phone, and I need a rush because the sun is setting. I don't have much daylight left, so let's go.
I guess it fits, it's raining, even the sky is gray.
Today I am going to try to put up this headliner, but first I need to add some sound deadening up there, and then I am also going to put a piece of thinsulate insulation between the headliner and the van. I really want to cut it up, but I'm not going to because it's important I'm not a perfectionist in these situations. I don't know if I should put another one. Probably not necessary. Although I do want my cab to be super silent. Here it is. Finished. Fastest sound deadening job ever. And yes, it's quite a lot, but screw it. It just felt right to put one in the center as well. These are all the pins I saved when I took down the headliner, so some of them are broken, but these are what I'll be using to put the headliner back up. When I say headliner, I'm talking about this big piece of stuff. If the camera stays up, that's good. Okay, it's super tilted, but I managed to finesse something. Let's see. Make sure you don't cut any wires by accident. Okay, I just need to cut it shorter. What's kind of fun is that this stuff definitely gets thicker after you open it. It like expands. Ow. Okay, let's see, something like this. All right. This needs to go behind the trim. The insulation is staying up. I'm gonna reattach the clips back here. Okay, bad news. The sun is setting even more. Some of them don't want to go in all the way. I'm sad because you cannot see anything. But some of these I think just didn't fit from the start, so I'm taking them out. They'll need to do the hardest part, which is putting the shelf back on here, which is gonna help secure this. Oh. Guys, this thing is grimy AF. There's really some dirt in there. There's dirt here. And it's getting close to 6, so I think I'm just gonna secure the front of the headliner better by pushing this thing back in, which should hold it up a little bit. And I'm gonna do the shelf another day. It's never good to be too ambitious and rush too much. I say, even though I hella rushed the insulation. So yeah, here goes nothing. I do hope this actually fits in. You know what? I actually do need the shelf. This won't fit in here and snap in without the shelf. Alright, I really don't know if you can see this, but I just left my light kind of snug in here. Hopefully that's good enough for now. I know it was a short video and it was dark for a lot of the important parts, but that's it. I'll see you on the next installment. These are taking forever, as expected.
I don't know, I'm so hungry. I ate a musubi earlier.
It's from all the physical labor. We went through all that effort, but I forgot. There's a flap here that keeps this thing up. That needs to be... I can't see shit. Oh, thank you. There's this flap here that also needs to be screwed in with the bolts we just screwed in.
That were so hard to put in.
Yeah, so we have to take them out. I'm sorry. Ugh. When it feels snug, yeah. Okay, sweet. Yay! It's so satisfying. I think it might be upside down.
Is it?
Yeah. Yeah, just push really hard.
Nice. Yay.
We are adding the flappy flaps now.
I think I'm realizing it all comes down to choices of who I give my hours to.
Oh my gosh.
It's what gets left behind.
It works.
Yay, the headliner is back up.
Yay.
Thanks to Yaz. Wee.
Wait, so what's gonna happen to the roof? Are you gonna...
Well, I put insulation, which is this stuff. It's called thinsulate, and it keeps you warm, like keeps the van warm. So I put that under here, but I'm gonna glue it on the ceiling, and it's gonna be cozy.
Nice.
Yeah.